In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bills in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the exact workflow to record a vendor bill, so your payables are accurate and up to date. This process helps you track what you owe, when it's due, and which expenses or items the bill covers. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard and head to the Purchases section. This is where all your spend-related transactions live, so it's the best place to manage vendors, bills, and expenses in one view. Inside Purchases, open the Bills area. Think of bills as the vendor-facing counterpart to your customer invoices. Invoices record what customers owe you, while bills record what you owe suppliers. Create a new bill by selecting the new option. This opens a clean bill form, so you can capture the details from your supplier's document. You'll begin by choosing the vendor. Pick the supplier who issued the bill so Zoho Books can apply their terms, currency, and default accounts. Accurate vendor selection keeps your payables aging report and vendor balance reports precise. Next, enter the bill number exactly as it appears on the supplier's document. This helps prevent duplicates and makes it easy to match payments later. Consistency matters here. If your vendor uses prefixes or leading zeros, include them. Set the bill to the date shown on the vendor bill. Zoho Books will typically calculate the due date from your vendor's payment terms, so give that a quick glance to make sure it aligns with the agreement you have in place. Getting the dates right ensures your reminders and cash flow forecasts are reliable. Now add what you're being billed for by selecting the item. When you choose an item, Zoho Books can autofill the rate, account, and tax based on your item settings. Adjust the quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes to match the supplier's bill line for line. If your organization uses item tracking for inventory, this step also keeps stock and costs aligned. Double check amounts, tax treatments, and totals before moving on, especially if the bill includes discounts or partial quantities. When everything looks correct, save the bill as open. Saving as open records the liability without marking it as paid, so it appears in your payables and on your upcoming payments list. You can return to this bill later to record a payment, apply credits, or attach supporting documents if needed. That's the full flow. Go to Purchases, open Bills, create a new bill, choose the vendor, enter the bill number, set the bill date, add the item details, and save as open. Follow this process each time you receive a supplier bill to keep your books clean, compliant, and ready for payment scheduling.